morning, class 8. Myself Ranjit Kumar, your science teacher. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School, Kunti Nagar, Nawada. This is the second lecture of the fifth chapter, that is coal and petroleum. Till now we have discussed what is natural resources, and we have also discussed different type of natural resources, extinguishable natural resources and non-extinguishable natural resources. We have also discussed what is fossil, and we have also discussed what is fossil fuel. So example of fossil fuel is coal, petroleum and natural gas. These are the example of the fossil fuel. So in the fossil fuel, the term first thing which come into our book, that is coal. What is coal? Coal is a complex mixture of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen compounds with small percentage of sulfur, phosphorus and nitrogen. Coal is as hard as stone and is black in color. It is used as fuel for cooking food. Second, to generate electricity in power plants. It is also used in engines to run it in train in olden time, nowadays not. And the fourth one is it is also used in industries. So this coal contains carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and a small fraction of sulfur, phosphorus and nitrogen. It is as hard as stone and is black in color. It is used as fuel for cooking food, to generate electricity in power plants. It is used in engines to run it in trains, and it is also used in industries. These are the uses of coal. Next is story of coal, how coal formation take place. So around 300 to 400 million years ago, in low areas of wetlands, vegetation, means the plant, trees that were present there, that got buried under the soil due to natural calamities such as flooding. So these vegetation or the plants that got buried inside the soil, that slowly get converted into coal. So when the vegetation got buried under the soil, when more and more soil get dumped or the accumulate over that soil, resulting into compressing it, due to this increased pressure and temperature, slowly the vegetation or the plants get converted into coal, and this process is called carbonization. This process is called carbonization. What is carbonization? It is a slow process of conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization. So what is carbonization? It is a slow process of conversion of wood into coal is called carbonization. So how it happens? When the trees or the wood get buried under the soil due to extreme pressure and temperature, slowly the moisture content of that wood is lost, resulting into increase in the carbon content, and this is called carbonization. So this carbonization of the coal take place in 4 stages. So stages of coal formation. After first stage, the first formed, you can say that the material obtained after first stage is called peat. After completion of first stage, material obtained is called peat. Means, what is peat? Actually, peat is not a coal. Peat is partially decomposed twigs, leaves and branches. Partially decomposed twigs, leaves and branches are called peat. It is actually accumulation of partially decomposed leaves, twigs and branches. Carbon content of peat is 50 to 60 degree. Means peat contains very low amount of carbon, around 50 to 60%, and it has high amount of moisture. So we can say peat is not a coal, it is accumulation of partially decomposed leaves, branch and twigs. Okay. When this peat is further pressed due to high pressure and the temperature of the soil that get accumulated over it, it lost its moisture content and carbon content is increased. So after completion of second stage, lignite is obtained. So after this lignite is obtained and it is brown in color. It is brown in color with carbon content is around 70%. Means in peat the carbon content was 50 to 60%, but in lignite the carbon content is 70%. Third, after third stage lignite change into bituminous. Lignite change into bituminous. So here it was called, after completion of second stage, coal is called lignite. It contains 70% of carbon. After completion of third stage, coal is called bituminous. It lost most of the moisture, almost all moisture is lost with carbon content is 80 to 85%. So in lignite the carbon content was 70% and in bituminous carbon content was 80 to 85%. This coal is dense, brittle. So this bituminous is dense and brittle. Okay, so we have discussed first stage. After completion of first stage it is called peat. After completion of second stage it is called lignite. After completion of third stage it is called bituminous. When bituminous remains in fourth stage, when bituminous remain inside earth for long duration due to high pressure, it get converted into anthracite. So it get converted into anthracite. So this bituminous, when it remains in the soil or inside the earth for long duration, it change into anthracite. It lost almost all the moisture content. So and it contains carbon content is more than 90%. So what I have told, first stage beat, then it changed into lignite. Second stage, third stage is called bituminous. Bituminous has very high content of carbon, but still when it burns with smoke and produces ashes. So but this anthracite, when it burned without any ash, so it is a clear fuel. Very good content of carbon is there. There's more than 90%. So the carbon formation take place in 4 stages, means carbonation take place in 4 stages. After first stage peat is formed, second stage lignite is formed, third stage bituminous is formed, and fourth stage anthracite is formed. Okay, revise it and see. If you have any problem you can ask. Okay, thank you for the day.